everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pavithra. I really hope each and every one of you are safe and secure. So today I'm going to be sharing quick hair care routine with TRESemmé. So if you're interested in my hair care routine, then continue watching. So today I have these two variants with me. This is the TRESemmé Botanique Detox and Restore range, and this is the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth range. And first things first, I have super special code for you guys, which is right on the screen. You can use this coupon code on all TRESemmé products, get 15% additional discount on Nykaa, and also link will be in my description box. And now without any further ado, I'll just go through you guys with each range. So this is the TRESemmé Botanique Detox and Restore with ginseng and neem. These are free from parabens and dyes. This shampoo and conditioner makes your hair super smooth, soft, also give you that healthy looking gorgeous shine. As it is enriched with ginseng and neem, it will make sure your hair is growing healthy, and at the same time it will make your hair damage free. All in all, this botanic range has to be one of my favorite because they are free from parabens and it is enriched with neem and ginseng. Overall, this TRESemmé botanic range suits all hair types, and also it's safe to use on color treated hair. The next up I have is this TRESemmé Keratin Smooth with Keratin and Argan Oil. This is enriched with argan oil, which helps to nourish your hair and control your frizz. Also, the shampoo and conditioner helps your frizzy hair control up until 3 days. Yes, you heard it right. It will manage your hair for 3 long days, which is amazing. At the same time, gives you that salon finish, smooth hair at your home itself. And yeah, that is everything about this Keratin Smooth range. Alright you guys, for this particular video, I'll be using my favorite TRESemmé Botanique Detox and Restore shampoo and conditioner and show you guys how I like to use this on my hair. So now, without any further ado, let's just jump into the demo now. Okay, now my hair is all wet. Taking few pumps of the shampoo, applying it all over my hair, massaging it nicely in circular motion. Then wash it with lukewarm water. Once I've rinsed off the shampoo, taking the conditioner, applying it on my ends. And I like to make a bun, keep it for 2 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water. So now my hair is all clean and neat. I'm gonna dry my hair and get back. And voila, this is how my hair looks after washing. It feels really refreshing, and at the same time I feel the shampoo have detoxified my hair completely. I feel so refreshing, you guys, and it is so soft. It leaves your hair super soft, supple. You cannot stop touching your hair like I'm doing it right now. It is that soft, and you can see the shine as well. So yeah, I truly love how the shampoo makes my hair feel, and I highly recommend you guys to check these products out because it's worth trying out, you guys. Also, don't forget to use this coupon code which is right on the screen and get additional 15% discount on all TRESemmé products on Nykaa. Also, link will be in the description box. Do check that out. With that being said, I'll wrap up this video. I really hope this review and demo was helpful for you guys. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching.